Hi, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will discuss basic string methods in Python. There are many string methods in Python, but these are some basic ones any programmer should know. Let's say we have a variable s that stores our string. These are the corresponding methods. s.lower returns a string where every character is lowercase. So you can see here that our string hello world in caps becomes lowercase when we apply the .lower method. s.upper returns a string where every character is uppercase. You can see here we have a lowercase string hello world that becomes entirely uppercase when we apply the .upper method. s.find substring returns the index of the first character of the first time the substring shows up in the string. So here, in this string, hello world, we want to find OR, which is right here, and that occurs at the index of 7. S.replace old substring, new substring returns the string with all instances of the old substring replaced with a new substring. You can see here that we are replacing the slash with a dash, and that is the string that is returned. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.